If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After inserting a timeline into a worksheet in Excel, a Timeline Contextual tab then appears in the ribbon. This tab appears in the ribbon anytime you select the timeline. You can use the buttons within this tab to modify the timeline settings and make other adjustments to it. In the Timeline button group at the left end of this tab, you can see and edit the name of the timeline caption within the text box. You can click the Report Connections button to open the Report Connections dialog box, where you can select the pivot table and pivot chart reports to connect to the selected timeline by checking the checkboxes next to the names of the reports to filter with this timeline. Then click the OK button to apply your choices. In the Timeline Styles button group, you can click the style you wish to apply to your selected timeline to change its appearance. You can use the buttons within the Arrange button group to change the alignment and placement of the timeline pane in the worksheet. To set the size of the selected timeline pane, use the Height and Width fields within the Size button group. You can check or uncheck the checkboxes in the Show button group to show or hide the associated elements within the timeline. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.